Hello, I am Mani Malarvannan. In this video, we will look into one of the AnalyticKit Web2 tool, Traffic Trend. We will dive deep into this tool and see how you can use to gain market intelligence. If you are a marketing company or a marketing manager and launching a NFT campaign or a token launch, you can use this tool to see how well your marketing campaign is working, and you can able to understand in depth about the users, those who are using your digital product. See, the digital product you can use to measure, collect informations and measure customer intelligence. Could be a mobile application, or it can be a decentralized application, or it can be just a website. So irrespective of the product you are using, you can use analytic kit tools to maintain and monitor your customer, and you can grow your customer growth. I'm going to use the PowerPoint presentation and the tool back and forth so that you can understand um, how to use the tool uh, to gain knowledge. Let me go to the tool. In my previous videos, I have shown how to come to this tool. After you log in, you can go to the analytics on the left side and then click this traffic trends. Then you will get to this page. So let's go deep into this tool. So as I explained earlier in my previous videos, first you need to choose the event, what you are going to measure. Event is anything that is happening on your website which are generated by your visitors. Say a visitor or your customer is clicking a NFT buy button, then that is an event. Or somebody is refreshing a page, then it would be a event. All those events will be captured automatically and saved in our system for you to analyze. Say for example, right now I have these 5 types of events. In this, a wallet login is somebody is trying to use their browser wallet to log in, then that will be captured and stored in our system for you to do the analysis. So once you choose the page view, and then you can choose what type of graph you want to display, whether you want to use the total count or unique users, weekly active, monthly active, unique sessions. So within the pop-up, you will get the help. It will tell you what exactly the definition of total count. See, in this case, the total count is the total event count, the total number of times the event was performed by any user. If you want to find out what exactly happening on one particular event, say NFT NFT launch, it's NFT buy button, then you can able to choose this total count. Or if you want to choose the unique users, you don't want to know about the particular event, you want to know about the total number of unique users visiting your website and then trying to purchase during your initial coin offering. Say in that case, you can use the unique users. Say I'm going to choose the unique users for now, and then instantly you can see the graph changes. Here also, there are many options for you to change the date range. For example, you can use the 7 days, and then you can change the graph type to linear. And then for now, I'm going to start with none in the y-axis. That means by default, the 7 days starting from today, previous 6 days, it's going to show how many unique users visited your digital product, used your digital product. And also, if I want to change by hour, I can do so. See here it is showing by hour. Say you are running a marketing campaign and the initial time from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, you want to go by how well your marketing campaign was received during the initial time. You can able to use this graph to analyze. And another feature we have is that you can add multiple events. Say you want to compare page view with a wallet login. you can do so. For simplicity, I'm using the unique users for both. You can use the total count also, but if you want to use the total count, then I would say that you create a separate graph so that if anybody is seeing, they can able to compare uh, between these two events with the same unit of measurement. See here it is showing between two events. Since I don't have a whole lot of events visitors using the wallet login, it is not showing for the 7 days. Let me change into say 90 days. And then see now it is showing both the events in different colors. Obviously, my page view is more than the wallet login. So people are using more page view than the wallet login. And instantly you can also see how many users are using it on that pop-up window. And another feature we have is we can change the graphic type from a linear to cumulative. It shows the total number of by the same hours, it will show the total number of events that happened during that time. So I'm changing from the day to week to make it more clear. And then it shows the how many users are used the wallet login, how many users are used the page view, how many users are generated these two events. And another feature I want to show in this video is you can change the graphic to world map. If you want to see who are all the users visited from different part of the world, you can use this graph type to world map, and you can see obviously the bulk of the users are from US, and then there are some users from uh, Canada, and then there are some users from India and Russia and other places. So like this, your marketing campaign can help you to understand during your marketing campaign, you can able to identify the user's pattern and try to gain more insight how they are using and what you can do to increase your customer base. So we saw the introduction. Like I explained, there are various selection criteria. We have it in the traffic trend tool. You can use the date range selection. You can use day, hour, week, month. You can able to do all those and try to understand how well the user pattern is, users are visiting your website, whether they are growing or they are coming down. All the informations you can able to identify from the graph. And then the demographic insights. So I have mentioned I've shown the graph here. So you can able to see which part of the world your visitors are coming. That information you can able to see using this graph. So comparison matrix, see that you can able to combine two events together, like I have shown here. Again, in this graph, world map, you can able to see only one. If you want to change to a different graph, then you can able to see multiple events you can able to see. Say for example, if I right now I'm not seeing one more event to add. If I change this graph type to say linear, then there is a button comes you for you to add more graphs into it. So for world view, right now we have only one type of event you can able to see, and we are working on to add more events, but for now you can able to see only one on the world view because it gets too complex to display all those informations in a single graph. So right now we have only one for the world view. And for the wallet view, as I shown earlier, you can able to see multiple events. You can keep adding more events if you want. So see, right now it is showing all the three events together. So like that, you can able to compare, add more and more events and compare the metrics between the events and see which one is creating more traffic to your digital product and also how they are using your digital product. So the main takeaway from this video I want to emphasize is that either you are using for an initial coin offering or for NFT token launch, you can able to use our AnalyticKit traffic tool to understand your customer behavior. And another important thing is that we integrate both the Web2 traffic and the Web3 traffic. See, so far, whatever you are seeing, all those are the Web2 traffic. Either they are using your mobile application or decentralized application. They are using basically a Web2 traffic to generate uh, actions, right, from your website. So all those we capture. And also, if somebody is purchased a NFT token, that information will be stored in Ethereum blockchain. So we collect that information and we unify it, and we will give you a unique view of your customer interaction on your product, digital product. So that's the main emphasis I want to uh, make sure that folks understand from this video. Many of our competitors, they have only the Web2 analytical tools or the Web3 analytical tools. But what we do is we take the Web2 data and the Web3 data, combine it to provide a unique view of your marketing campaigns. So this gives you a strategic advantage for your marketing campaign. And if you are a marketing agency monitoring, helping many multiple customers, then you can use this tool to understand how well your marketing campaign is going. Say the marketing campaign you are running for 2 weeks, then you can able to see the first week or the first day how the marketing campaign started, and then how well it is going, and do you need to do anything more to adjust. You can able to view all the informations in one single platform. So that's what the analytic kit provides for you. And then the one other feature I want to show within the product, we have a concept of filters. I have explained in my previous videos. See, these filters are basically, you can add multiple filters so that you can able to go in-depth analysis and identify your user behavior. Say, for example, you want to add the browser, and then you want to say Chrome, then you can able to see only users, those who used browser that is equal to Chrome, that will be displayed in the graph. And then you can add multiple filters. Say, for example, browser, and then I want to add a device. And then the device, if I want to say choose iPhone, then nobody is going to use a Chrome browser in iPhone. So most likely you won't see any events here. So obviously that makes sense. If I change this one to Safari, and probably I may see some users, but still nobody, yeah, nobody used Safari also used from iPhone. So no one used this website so far using those two filters. And also you can add, see, this one entire filter is called a filter group, and within the filter group you can add multiple filters, and then you can also create multiple filter groups. See, right now I am adding a new filter group, and then within that I am changing, say, continent code. Continent code, I'm saying, say, North America. I can add multiple filter groups. By default, it is showing as R. If I want to change it to AND, then I can change to AND. That means right now what we are doing is we are trying to do the analysis for page view, wallet login, and page leave events that matches these filters criteria. This filter browser equal to Safari, device and device equal to iPhone, and then another, this is one filter group, and then this is the second filter group, and continent is North America. And I can add more filter groups, and I can add more filters within the filter group. So you can go and do an in-depth analysis of your customer data using our AnalyticKit SaaS platform. And as I said earlier, the one of the main goal for us is to give our users, our customers, the tools to combine data from Web 2 and Web 3 platforms and collect the data and get a unified view on their customers' behavior using the digital product. So if you want more information, please let us know. We will try to help you. And also, if there is any comments, please add it in YouTube. And also make sure you subscribe to get up-to-date information on various tools. And if you are a marketing agency or a marketing manager, Web3 marketing agency or a Web3 marketing manager, these videos will definitely help you to understand more about your customers. Thank you. Appreciate your time. Bye.